Hello friends, I welcome to all of you in this new video. Today I am going to explain, is SusanWardrobe.com legit or a scam? Friends, this is not our website. If you have never ordered anything from this website, this unbiased review will help you in deciding the answer of this question, should I buy from it or not? If you have experienced any fraud over this website, then watch this video till the end, as I will share the way to get your money back. Well, we can see that the site sells different varieties of dolls and they have only collection list of doll. So now let's check out some of their products. So here they have mentioned buy two get free shipping, and the product images are looking very much good. The dolls are very much pretty as well, and the prices of these products are quite reasonable if the quality is good. Here we can see that a traditional wall dwarf doll, made to order stainer doll, etc. Here at the bottom page they have mentioned that they will take PayPal as their mode of payment. So now let's check out some shipping terms. So here they have mentioned that they can take 8 to 14 natural days to deliver your order. Now guys, before going any further, I request you all to like this video, share it with your friends and subscribe our channel. This will boost our spirit to make more such informative videos. Now let's talk about those important points on which we can judge this website as a scam or a legit website. Well, the site is having a valid HTTPS connection, which is a good thing as it will protect your payment methods. Coming to the website age, the website was registered on 21st May 2020, which means it is approximately 4 months old, which is not a very good thing as new websites never have credibility. So now let's check out their About Us section. So here we can see that they have given some of the information regarding themselves, but they have not given any information regarding the owner's identity. Also we can clearly see that this page is totally copied. They have only changed the store's name and everything was same, because we know that the site sells different varieties of dolls, but they have mentioned that they are involved in fashion, shoes and clothes, which was founded in 2008, which is a false claim. So that means that the site is providing fake information as well, which no legit website would do. The prices are not that much reasonable and the payment methods are very limited. So now let's check out their Contact Us section. Also we can see that they are having some grammatical errors, and the contact service email ID does not match with the website domain, which is a bad thing. Also the phone number is given here, but it is not in service. Also the query form given here, you can fill your queries and ask your queries about, but they are not active on that too. Now talking about the social media presence, the site is not having any social media presence, which is again a suspicious thing. So now let's check out their refund policy. So here they have mentioned that they have 30 days of return policy, which is quite sufficient. Also share your reviews regarding the return and refund policy of the website. Now checking the customer reviews, the site is having no customer reviews whatsoever on its own page or on other platforms. Looking into the website content quality, the website content quality is very poor, as we can see copied content, copied images, grammatical errors, etc. So guys, giving a final verdict, we currently do not recommend this site to you because it looks like a proper scam to us, because they are giving fake information, copied content, copied images, some grammatical errors, and also the site is not old. So if you have ever been scammed, then you can get your money back by checking our links in the description area. Do comment your thought about this video, as we read all your comments over every video, so keep commenting. Please like this video, and if you have not subscribed yet, please subscribe our channel today. We advise you to be informed and be safe. Thank you and have a wonderful day ahead.